20 Best Coursera Online Certification Courses from Top Universities. First course, Python for Everybody Specialization. This Python specialization course offered by University of Michigan and instructed by Charles Russell Severance. It contains 5 courses in it. They are: Programming for Everybody, Getting Started with Python. Python Data Structures. Using Python to access web data. Using databases with Python. Capstone, Retrieving, Processing, and Visualizing Data with Python. Next course, IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. This Data Science Professional Certificate course offered by IBM, and there are 10 courses in this professional certificate. What is data science? Tools for data science. Data science methodology. Python for data science, AI and development. Python project for data science. Databases and SQL for data science with Python. Data analysis with Python. Data visualization with Python. Machine learning with Python. Applied data science capstone. Next course, Machine Learning Specialization. This specialization course is from leading researchers at the University of Washington, and it contains 4 courses in this specialization. Machine Learning Foundations, a case study approach. Machine Learning, Regression. Machine Learning, Classification. Machine Learning, Clustering and Retrieval. Next course, AWS Fundamentals Specialization. This specialization course offered by Amazon Web Services, and it contains 4 courses in it. AWS Cloud Technical Essentials. AWS Fundamentals, Addressing Security Risk. AWS Fundamentals, Migrating to the Cloud. AWS Fundamentals, Building Serverless Applications. Next course, Web Design for Everybody, Basics of Web Development and Coding Specialization. This specialization offered by University of Michigan, it contains 5 courses in it, and covers how to write syntactically correct HTML5 and CSS3, and how to create interactive web experiences with JavaScript. Introduction to HTML5. Introduction to CSS3. Interactivity with JavaScript. Advanced styling with responsive design. Web Design for Everybody capstone. Next course, Google Project Management, Professional Certificate. This specialization course offered by Google, it contains 6 courses in it. Foundations of Project Management. Project Initiation, Starting a Successful Project. Project Planning, Putting it all together. Project Execution, Running the project. Agile Project Management. Capstone, Applying Project Management in the Real World. Next course, IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate. This specialization course offered by IBM, it contains 9 courses in it. Introduction to Data Analytics. Excel Basics for Data Analysis. Data Visualization and Dashboards with Excel and Cognos. Python for Data Science, AI and Development. Python Project for Data Science. Databases and SQL for Data Science with Python. Data Analysis with Python. Data Visualization with Python. IBM Data Analyst Capstone Project. Next course, Data Visualization with Tableau Specialization. This specialization offered by University of California, Davis. It contains 5 courses in it. Fundamentals of Visualization with Tableau. Essential Design Principles for Tableau. Visual Analytics with Tableau. Creating Dashboards and Storytelling with Tableau. Data Visualization with Tableau Project. Next course, Data Engineering, Big Data, and Machine Learning on GCP Specialization. This specialization offered by Google Cloud. It contains 5 courses in it. Google Cloud Big Data and Machine Learning Fundamentals. Modernizing data lakes and data warehouses with Google Cloud. Building batch data pipelines on GCP. Building resilient streaming analytics systems on Google Cloud. Smart Analytics, Machine Learning, and AI on GCP. Next course, Digital Marketing Specialization. This specialization offered by University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, it contains 7 courses in it. The Digital Marketing Revolution. Marketing in a Digital World. Digital Marketing Analytics in Theory. Digital Marketing Analytics in Practice. Digital Media and Marketing Principles. Digital Media and Marketing Strategies. Digital Marketing Capstone. Next course, Google IT Automation with Python Professional Certificate. This specialization offered by Google Career, it contains 7 courses in it. Crash Course on Python. Using Python to interact with the operating system. Introduction to Git and GitHub. Troubleshooting and debugging techniques. Configuration management and the cloud. Automating real-world tasks with Python. Next course, Deep Learning Specialization. This specialization offered by deeplearning.ai, it contains 5 courses in it. Neural networks and deep learning. Improving deep neural networks, hyperparameter tuning, regularization and optimization. Structuring machine learning projects. Convolutional neural networks. Sequence models. Next course, AI for Everyone. This specialization course offered by deeplearning.ai and instructed by Andrew Ng. In this course, you will learn how to spot opportunities to apply AI to problems in your own organization. How to work with an AI team and build an AI strategy in your company. How to navigate ethical and societal discussions surrounding AI. Google UX Design Professional Certificate. This specialization offered by Google Career, it contains 7 courses in it. Foundations of User Experience, UX, Design. Start the UX design process, empathize, define, and ideate. Build wireframes and low-fidelity prototypes. Conduct UX research and test early concepts. Create high-fidelity designs and prototypes in Figma. Responsive web design in Adobe XD. Design a user experience for social good and prepare for jobs. Next course, Financial Management Specialization. This specialization course offered by University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, it contains 7 courses in it. Financial Accounting, Foundations. Financial Accounting, Advanced Topics. Investments I, Fundamentals of Performance Evaluation. Investments II, Lessons and Applications for Investors. Corporate Finance I, Measuring and Promoting Value Creation. Corporate Finance II, Financing Investments and Managing Risk. Financial Management Capstone. Next course, Excel Skills for Business, Essentials. This specialization course offered by Macquarie University, by end of this course you will learn the essentials of Microsoft Excel. Basic calculations with formulas and functions. Visualization of data through charts and graphs. Next course, Improve Your English Communication Skills Specialization. This specialization course offered by Georgia Institute of Technology, it contains 4 courses in it. Write professional emails in English. Speak English professionally, in person, online and on the phone. Build your professional e-portfolio in English. Take your English communication skills to the next level. Next course, Neural Networks and Deep Learning. This specialization course offered by deeplearning.ai, you will study the foundational concept of neural networks and deep learning. By the end, you will be familiar with the significant technological trends driving the rise of deep learning, build, train, and apply fully connected deep neural networks. Next course, English for Career Development. This course offered by University of Pennsylvania. It is designed for non-native English speakers who are interested in advancing their careers in the global marketplace. Last course, Virtual Reality Specialization. This specialization offered by University of London, it contains 5 courses in it. Introduction to Virtual Reality. 3D Models for Virtual Reality. 3D Interaction Design in Virtual Reality. Building interactive 3D characters and social VR. Making your first virtual reality game. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you liked our list of courses. If you feel we missed any of your favorite course, mention it in comment box. See you in next video.